Have you heard about Samsung's next big thing? Imagine a phone so advanced, it's redefining what a flagship can do. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, we're talking specs, design, cameras, and all those upgrades that might just have Apple sweating a little. Stick around, because this one's got a surprise or two. Introducing the Unveiling X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Unveiling, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at cookshue.co. Let's back to our video. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Samsung fans have been buzzing about the Galaxy S25 Ultra for months, and it's no wonder why. This phone is shaping up to be a game changer. Samsung is expected to unveil it in January, which has become their prime release slot, and they're packing this flagship with more upgrades than ever. So, what's new? First up, the design. Samsung's sticking with that iconic boxy shape, but it's going to be flatter. You heard that right. They've straightened out the curves, aiming for a streamlined, lightweight look. And guess what? It's rumored to weigh less than both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and its own S24 Ultra. Imagine a phone that's sleek, flat, and easier to hold. And with a titanium frame, it's not just looking good, it's built to last. Anyone who's ever fumbled a phone understands the appeal here. Now, I have to ask, how many of you are all about the camera quality? Because Samsung's making some serious moves in that department too. The big talk is around the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. That's a massive leap from the current 12-megapixel, especially for those of us who love capturing landscapes or group shots without sacrificing quality. Picture those scenic beach shots with ultra-vivid colors and insane detail. Oh, and don't worry, the other cameras like the 200-megapixel primary and 10-megapixel telephoto are sticking around, giving you plenty of ways to flex those photography skills. Okay, techies, let's get into the specs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have a 6.86-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a peak brightness hitting 2600 nits. Yeah, that's bright enough to make your eyes squint in the sun. You're getting HDR10 plus support, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and M13 OLED material. In plain English, it's like having a cinema screen right in your pocket. And powering this monster is Samsung's latest AI processor, the Gemini Nano V2, rumored to make the phone smarter and faster than ever. Oh, and did I mention battery life? A 5,000 mAh battery paired with 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless should keep you going strong all day. Now let's talk storage and price, because this is where things get serious. Samsung's offering 3 configurations, 12/256 gigabytes for $1,299, 12/512 gigabytes for $1,419, 16/1 terabytes for $149,000, $1,659. It's definitely on the premium end, but for everything this phone offers, it could be worth the splurge. Think about it. You've got the world's most advanced cameras, a huge OLED screen, top-notch AI performance, and a titanium build, all in one sleek device. So what do you guys think? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra on your wish list? Drop a comment if you're ready to upgrade, or let us know what you're most excited about. And hey, if you enjoyed this sneak peek, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring the bell so you won't miss out when we dive deeper into Samsung's big January reveal. Until next time, stay tech savvy and may your battery always stay above 20%. Peace.